In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the footer on Mailchimp. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can confidently update the required information that appears at the bottom of your email campaigns. This is the section that usually includes things like why someone is receiving your emails and how they can contact you or update their preferences. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a main navigation panel there. In that panel, find the option labeled Audience and click on it. This is where Mailchimp keeps all the information related to your subscribers and list settings, including the footer content we want to adjust. After the audience page loads, look towards the top right area of the page for the More Options icon. This might look like 3 dots or a small menu symbol, depending on your current layout. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Audience Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control various details about your audience. On the Audience Settings page, scroll down until you see a section called Email Settings. Within this section, look for a row labeled Required Email Footer Content. This is the part that controls the mandatory information Mailchimp includes at the bottom of your emails to help keep your campaigns compliant with email regulations. On the right side of that Required Email Footer Content row, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click it. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you can make your changes. Inside this pop-up, you'll be able to edit your footer's permission reminder. This is the short message that explains why the subscriber is receiving your email, such as how they signed up or what they agreed to receive. Take a moment to make this clear and accurate, so your audience immediately understands the context of your email. Below that, you can update the contact details that appear in the footer. You'll see fields for your company or organization name, a contact name, an email address for replies, a phone number if you choose to include one, your physical mailing address, and the website URL where people originally opted into this audience. Make sure everything here is up to date and matches your current business information. When you're done reviewing and editing all of these details, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click Save Footer Content. Mailchimp will update your settings, and your future campaigns using this audience will display the new footer information. And that's it. You've successfully changed the footer on Mailchimp, and your emails will now reflect the updated details you just set.